Okay, hello. So we're going to do a little experiment here. So one of my colleagues uses something called RStudio, which I installed on my machine. Um, so it's to use to do statistical analysis and stuff like this. So it does not come, as far as I can tell, with AI support. Um, but I created a new project, and then I have a Claude code that is installed. So in fact, I use Claude itself to help me set it up. It's not very complicated. So now, what are we going to do um, with Claude? So I don't know. Um, so can you set up a project where you recover government data about climate change, and let us say something to do with um, temperature and maybe extreme events. Collect the data. Then set up our scripts to do some analysis and a few nice graphics. Currently, I'm running this under something called RStudio, and you are in a new project. Go impress me. So let's see what it's going to do. So it's thinking, it's still thinking. So it's looking at what's around. Is there anything in the project? So I think it found something. There must be the project file. There's not, this is brand new, so it found some data online. Oh, not found. So it's going to try to do something else, maybe. So you see here we are in, oh, yeah, it looks like it's having trouble. So you can see here it's planning things out. Um, it's having a little bit of trouble finding the data, I think. To be fair, I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't program in R, and I did not have a precise question, and I did not have data. If I had prepared this with actual data, it would have been a little bit easier, but now it has to improvise. Okay, so oh, so you see here it's organizing the data. So so you see it's working. It's doing something. Now, of course, I could have beers or coffee, but I'm just looking at it. Hopefully, it won't be too long. So it created a script. What the script does is to gather some data here. Okay, good. It doesn't have data. So it's planning to produce quality. So it's going to try to produce something in output. Okay, so my installation of R is brand new, so it doesn't. So I've got nothing installed, so probably needs to do some configuring. So you see here I've got it did more work. So it's installing packages, which I understand could be a little bit lengthy. So I'm getting impatient, so is the shell still running? It's doing something. Oh. Yes, still running. Okay. So it's compiling. Okay, so So I ask about the plots that it's going to generate. It's going to generate 5 PNG, which are going to be there. So it's going to do these analysis. Okay. Okay, the installation of my packages are done. Okay, this is good. So, oh, I've got a README now. So it's documenting everything about the project. Okay, that's nice. I'm getting impatient. It's boring. So why is it so long? So long. Okay, so now we got the figure which is supposed to be here. So okay, so these are the figures. Okay, so it's quite nice. Okay, this is pretty cool. Okay, so we could ask something. Okay, so we could ask. Okay. So we could ask. So add a new figure. Gives me a new figure for the temperature anomaly, but starting in 2000. So let's see. Okay, so the figure is ready. It's here. So that's pretty nice. Okay, so I don't know anything about R. I don't know anything about RStudio, but as you can see, you can mix Claude with RStudio. Now, this is not an advertisement for Anthropic products. This is just, I could have done it with other AIs, but this demonstrates what is possible, right? So, see here I've got all of the files. I can examine them and so forth. I don't know, maybe they're not reasonable. Someone could check, but it looks pretty good to me. So that was my really quick turn around of about how to use AI within RStudio. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.